Hey sweeties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley. I do fashion hauls and body positivity videos here on my channel. If you like that kind of content, then don't forget to hit that subscribe and hit that bell notification bell button to be notified of all my future videos. It looks like here on my channel that I have 84 or 90% viewers that are not subscribed to the channel. So if you like fashion hauls and you know, you could compare sizes with my body type because I am a shorty. If you guys didn't know that, I rep the shorty community. I am 4'11" and I am plus size. So I am looking for clothes that will fit both the petite body in a plus size world. As you guys know, that is a unicorn. It is not very likely to see plus size cater to petite women, and the petite category in a clothing brand doesn't pertain to plus size. I hope you guys join me on my journey to finding cute clothes. And yeah, so today we are going into another Shein haul. The thing that I want to talk about is this shirt right here. I absolutely love. This one actually has a very lengthy, so if you have longer arms or longer torso, this will definitely fit you really good. As for me, the straps do tend to fall, but there's nothing like a few safety pins that I could just put right there, which is fine, or I pull it down, straight down, to actually use up all this space. But it is very generous in the straps. Let me go ahead and stand up for you. So this is a peplum top, which I absolutely love. I love peplum tops. They actually give me a flow, or it gives me like a actual figure to my body, which is a rectangle. So it also covers the belly area. It does cover the belly area here, right here. I'm wearing leggings with this. I love the button detail. The sweetheart neckline is my go-to. It's like one of the things that I love about this top. This is in a 3X. It is, so if you have bigger breasts, you will be able to rock this as well. There's a lot of room here. I love how this covers the extra chub right here. And the back is super simple. It's really, really cute. It is just a super cute top. Something you could wear formally. You could just put it on and get out the house kind of thing. I absolutely love it. Today was the first time I wore it, and I actually felt really comfortable in my body, in my skin. I also paired it with not the leggings, but I paired it with shorts that I will show you right now. Okay, so today I wore this top with these jeans, or you could actually wear something that tucks in inside, and you could show off these buttons here, which are really cute. But so here are the jeans. They actually fit really well. I am a size 18 right now, which is fine. It has a lot of room if you have a bigger butt. It has a lot more room. I have a flatter butt there. But yeah, super cute, high-waisted. It's the perfect length because it's not like too long. It actually fits perfectly on the length here, in my opinion, for my body type. So it's actually super cute. So when I pull this down, this is the look right here. So this is what it looks like when you pair it with the jeans. It is super comfortable. It has a lot of stretch in these jeans, which is surprising because before I've bought in pairs of jeans from Shein that worked really well, and they said that they were a size 18, which fit more like a size 14. So this time around was a win-win situation. These ones actually are the size that that it is, and also it has a little bit more stretch in this. If you're looking for something a little bit more stretchy, these are the pair for you. And here is the front. Okay, so I got this top, which is a mint green top. I actually am loving this color for this time around. So the straps have adjustable straps right there. This is one of my favorites. Again, it is that flowy peplum top. As you guys know, that I really love that style. It suits me. I think that's like my go-to signature style that I love to grab even when I am bigger or smaller. This is like a really great top because I could wear it either when I lose weight or when I got bigger. It is a really comfortable type of top, and I got these in 2 different colors, but this is the first one, which is the mint green, which I absolutely love. And it has that scrunchy type material, which is really, really cute for the summertime. It's really airy. I am wearing a strapless bra underneath this. Yeah, I'm wearing a strapless bra because it is kind of thin in the material, just to be honest. And here is very like pattern, which is really cute. So this is one of my favorite ones that I picked up. I do love this. It is as like the black ones, it has a little bit more length. This one is more like a crop top. However, you can adjust the straps like I showed you, but this is just a little bit more short torsoed, which is fine and dandy for me. Doesn't really matter. So this is what that looks like right here. It does give that high-low effect now that I look at it. It's a high-low, which the all-white one, I definitely need to invest into a white bra. But I am wearing that same, or a nude one. A nude one would be perfectly fine with this one, but I do prefer the strapless because of the fact that this is a little bit, like I said, it is a little bit see-through. But it's airy, so if you're looking for a very airy type of top, this is the one for you. Again, it's that peplum flow right here, that scrunchy material right there, which is super cute. Adjustable strap. So the green one, I had it a little bit more lower. This one I have it a little bit higher. That's what it looks like here. So I wanted to pair it with leggings to give you guys a little bit of an option of what you could pair this with. So leggings, slacks, you could do formal, you could do jeans, you could do anything really. It actually just spruce up. If you put a blazer on it, you could be totally formal. However you want to look at it, it's a good piece to buy, and it's super affordable. I think it was like $8 or something. I will have links down below. They are not affiliated whatsoever. They are just there for you to shop them, and hopefully they are still available because I know that their stuff goes really, really fast, and a lot of people are catching on to the trend of Shein because they're so good. But yeah, so this is one of my favorite things. Next is a matching set. Okay, I picked this little set. Last but not least is this 2-piece set, which you could actually wear this. I believe you could wear this wherever you want. You could make it a crop top. Well, it is a crop top, but as you can see, it is a 2-piece short set. So this has a lot of stretch. These are all in the 3X. If you guys didn't know, my sizing will be down in the description below. So this is a 3X right now. And as you can see, there's a lot of room in the boobage. I don't have that big of a boob, so there is a lot of room in the boob area. There is a lot of stretch here, so this has a lot of stretch for this type. I picked this to wear least or the last because this is a pajama set. It was labeled as a denim set. This is not really denim, to be honest, Shein. But I super love the concept. It is very airy and has ruffles here at the bottom. So if I choose to wear these shorts out without the top or without looking like this, just wear these shorts with like a regular size shirt, or regular shirt or anything like that, it will actually be not a bad idea, or it will be actually really cute to wear out. So I'm gonna go. Okay, so I'm about to hop in the bed with my dogs and just chillax and watch YouTube videos, and yeah, just wear these pajama set for the night. I want to thank you guys for joining me on this journey, and if you guys have any clothing brands you want me to try out, definitely hit me up in the comments down below. Again, all my stuff will be in the description box. I hope you guys will definitely subscribe to my channel because I have a lot more content for you guys. I am doing a little bit of scaling back on my video guys. If you guys didn't know, I will be doing videos Monday and Friday, so look for those videos. Hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you guys in my next video. Like always, stay super sweet. Bye.